In this exercise, we will learn the patch tool. The patch tool basically is very similar to the healing brush tool, but is the best tool to replace a specific area in the images. We can use it to remove subjects in images, or we can also use it to remove blemishes by taking a sample from the image. Okay, let's see how this tool works. If I right-click on the Spot Brush Healing tool, we can see the Patch tool underneath the Healing Brush tool. Or we can use the shortcut key, Shift and J multiple times to select this tool. Okay, now I have selected this tool. If I select this window area and drag it to the other side, something like that, we can see the window is removed and replaced with the area where I left it. Very quickly, let's undo that, and let's see some more options above. Okay, if I select the window again, we can add a new selection on it. Subtract and intersect also. We also are familiar with these options. Okay, next we have the patch option, normal and content aware option. These options work the same. There's not a big difference between them. We can use any of them. Okay, next we have source and destination option. Let's select this window and we can see the results. And now select the destination option. And we can see it has replaced the subject and duplicated it. Okay, next we have transparent option. If I check this mark on, we can see it is just adding some texture on it, but check off. Next we have diffusion option, and we can keep it also at 3 to 5 for effective results. Okay, in the next exercise we learn content aware move tool.